Hello everyone, let's now move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to take some of the hair strands from both the ends and you just have to tie them up together using the rubber band, then give them the internal twist. Again you can repeat this step till you can create the as many steps as you just want. Here I am just taking again another strand and fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band and giving them the internal twist, then losing some of the hair strands as apparent on your screens. This hairstyle is very simple, it's very easy, it's a little bit time consuming. Then you just have to build the fish tail that we usually make. This is so simple and nice and it looks more and more elegant. You can decorate it using some of the fancy hairpins, like here I am just inserting them in this direction. This looks quite good and quite nice. Moreover, it gives some of the royal type of the look. Just give it a try. Let's move towards another hairdo. This one is again inspired from the bun that we usually create. First you just have to tie up some of the hair using one of the rubber band. After that you just have to give them some of the internal twists like we are doing here. Then you just have to pull it towards the lower direction. This one is very simple and casual hair bun and you can definitely give it a try. Let's move towards another hairstyle. First you just have to take the rubber band and tie them at the proper position, then create a braid out of it. It looks quite simple and quite easy. Then loosen some of the hair strands as shown on your screens. After that you just have to roll them and fix them at the proper position. Then the leftover hair is taken and you just have to fix it again with the help of the bun, but you just have to first build a classical braid like I am doing here. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Follow each step in a sequential manner and you are done. If we will talk about the time consumption, then this hairstyle may take some of your time, but it's worth investing because it will look so nice and elegant at the end once you're done. Once your braid is ready, you just have to loosen some of the hair strands because these help us in adding up the volume to our hairdos, and you may look more and more good while performing such type of the hairstyles. You can just pause the video, then you can follow each step in a sequential manner so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Let's move towards another hairstyle. See, first we have made a bun type of the shape. After that the leftover hair that is tied up using the ponytail is to be converted into the classical braid. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. This one is just a simple fish braid. You can even make the classical braid also. The choice is yours. Here I am making the fish braid. You can just pause the video, then follow each step in a sequential manner. Don't skip any particular step, otherwise your hairstyle will get ruined. Once our braid is ready, you just have to fix it properly using the rubber band. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are taking some of the hair from the middle portion of the ponytail that we have created earlier, then convert it into the classical braid. Once your braid is ready, now you just have to fix the leftover hair. For that I am making 3 divisions of the hair as apparent on your screens, then build it into the thick braid that we usually make, the classical one. Once the braid is ready, you just have to loosen it again in order to create the more volume, and then the upper one of the braid is to be fixed with it. It looks so good. Thank you.